Imagine yourself in this Volkswagen 2016 Passat 1.8T SE with technology. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, roof, power moon, roof, power sunroof, front-wheel drive, heated front seats, seat heated driver, power seats, power driver seat and lane departure warning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.